Next, I will explain some key points for Bagua Taiji push hands, two-way Shou. We will practice and explain simultaneously. First, do not use force when arms are in contact. The energy and force should be empty. The sensation should be like a doctor checking a pulse. Never use force. Once you exert force and muscles tense up, power cannot be transmitted. It must be empty. This is primary. Relax, relax, move freely. Relax, relax, yes, relax. Secondly, in Bagua Taiji push hands, two-way Shou, don't stand too low or too high. Don't practice standing straight, and don't go too low. If you go that low, your internal power will be broken. The energy is severed. Don't go too low, or the opponent can easily attack your upper body. If too high, the opponent can easily attack your middle and lower body. Maintain a moderate body and center of gravity. Third, avoid forceful pulling in Bagua Taiji. Do not pull, push, or drag. That is not Bagua Taiji. Taiji emphasizes deflecting force and neutralizing attacks. Neutralize and empty the incoming force.